guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a comparison video for you guys today on the JuJuBe XY Vector and the XY Hatch. Now, I have done separate packing videos on each of these, which I will link below, but I have had some requests to show the difference in the size and packing and things of the two bags because they are of the same line that JuJuBe has. The blue bag here is the Hatch, and this is my son's high school bag, and I borrowed it from him today just to do this video, and he loves this bag. The Vector is kind of like my weekend with all the kids bag, and I actually do have it packed for how I used it today, and I had my 2-year-old and my 7 and 4-year-old with me, and it was just great. It's a great bag. This is in the gray matter, and this is in the jean. These are completely different feeling materials, even though they're both from the XY range. The jean is a lot softer. It's kind of a little bit similar to the chrome, and the gray matter is more of a textured kind of rougher material. It doesn't feel rough on your skin. It's just if you run your finger across it, that's kind of the only way I can really think of explaining the different texture. They do hold very similar amounts, but they do have a very different packing kind of organization. I love all the pockets on the Vector. I think it's awesome. I can see why it's such a popular bag in the XY range, but I really kind of like the look of the Hatch. Real quick, I'll go over some of the differences in the features of the two bags and the similarities. So as you can see, the pockets in the front are quite different. This just has the one pocket, whereas this has 1, 2, 3, and then 4 pockets on the top if you count the tech pocket on the top here. They do have the exact same bottle pockets on each side, even when it comes to the little mesh pocket on the right hand pocket here. Both bags don't have feet, but they are quite structured. They will stand up on their own. So if you look at the back here, they are similar in the way that they're designed. This does have a kind of more of a curvature here, it seems, than the Vector. Also, the Hatch does have 2 pockets in the back. It has this little tech pocket down here, and it also has a change pad pocket here, which kind of makes up for the lack of the front pockets. Both of the backpack straps are very comfortable. These are really thick and comfortable. When I was wearing my Vector today, I was very impressed with how comfortable it felt on my back, and these do adjust very easily, but they're also very long. The Hatch does have the little loops on the back here that you can, there's a little thing that comes with it that you can attach if you're going hiking. You can attach it across your chest. So that's a very cool feature. And it does also, the Hatch also has this top pocket here, which is kind of like a hidden thing in the actual front flat bit, which is really cool. I really like that. I haven't got myself a Hatch. I think I will, because I just really like these. Probably even more than the BRB, although I kind of wish that JuJuBe would release more prints. If they release some regular prints in these bags, it would take off like so quickly. A lot of the pink ladies are asking for that, so shout out to JuJuBe, maybe that's an idea. Alright, so let's get started on the Vector. Okay, so in this front pocket here, it does go all the way down to the bottom of the pocket. I just have my iPhone 8 Plus. The mommy pocket here with 2 zipper pulls, which is kind of cool. There's 2 mesh pockets in the bag here and a key leash. And in this side mesh pocket, I just have my Tokidoki comb purse with my lipstick and lip gloss and such in there. I don't have anything in this pocket here, in this other mesh pocket, but in the middle here I do have my Kate Spade lacy wallet. And this pocket is really roomy. You could definitely fit more in there. In this upper mommy pocket that I like to call it, I do have my keys in the main part of the pocket. I also have my hand sanitizer in this mesh pocket on this side. Then on this side I have my small set piece as my with my mommy things and my med kit in there. This is in chrome, so you can kind of see the difference in the colors there. This is a definite darker than the gray. In the top tech pocket here in the bag, I have my Tokidoki comb purse with my brush and hair ties, etc. Mesh pocket on the outside, I have my glasses, my Maui Jim sunglasses. In the bottle pocket here, I have a thermos container, and as you can see, there's so much room. You can easily fit a larger drink bottle in there, but I love these containers. I take them everywhere. They're fantastic. Side pocket here, I just have another container, and this also has the sunglass case in here if you want to put your sunglasses in there, but I don't do that. I put them elsewhere. Going into the center of the bag now, It does open very, very wide, and you can easily see into it from the top. This flap little pocket here, similar to the BRB. I just have my 30 count wipe pouch, and I put that upside down so it's easy to access the wipes. In the center part, I have my Be Dapper as my nappy pouch with some 2 size 5 nappies, a light change pad from the XY base, coin purse with baggies and such, and change of clothes in there for my 2-year-old. I have my oldest daughter's blanket boo, for some reason that's in there. I also have a medium set piece with all my snacks and things in there. And the last thing in the center I have is a small Be Organized with some Magnaform blocks. There is a slip pocket at the back here of the Vector, and in here I just have 2 Shimmer and Shine hard toddler books. Now in the Vector there are 2 mesh pockets at the back and 2 at the front. In one of the mesh pockets at the back here I have my boogie board writing thing in a Be Neat Bib little pouch. Don't have anything in the other mesh pocket on the back. In this mesh pocket, this is in the front of the bag, I have my mini wipe pouch with my antibacterial wipes in it. In the other mesh pocket I have a small Be Organized with Tiku blocks, which I actually forgot I had today, but that's in there as well. That does fit a lot into the Vector. So now let's see how all that goes into the hatch. Now I'm going to start with the front pocket here, and this does have a key leash as well and 2 mesh pockets. So it's very similar to the Vector front pocket. So I'm going to put what I had in the Vector front pocket. So here is my Tokidoki coin purse in that mesh pocket there, and then I'm going to put my wallet in there as well. So of course in these bottle pockets I'll just put my Funtainers. I can put my sunglasses in this mesh pocket on the outside here. Now in this top pocket here where the flap is, here I like to put my wipe pouch, so I'm going to pop that in there. So these magnetic closures do open easily, you just have to slide them across. If you try to go like this, they will not open, so it's a little slidey kind of trick to it. And this doesn't have a top closure, it is open, but it does have a zip on the side, which I think is awesome. They need to put this on the Be Sporty. Because then look how easy you can see into the bag, it's awesome. You can actually see into this easier than you can in the Vector, I reckon. So I'm going to put my Shimmer and Shine books in this back pocket like I did with the other one. This bag has the 2 pockets at the back and the 2 pockets at the front, but it also has side mesh pockets, which is even better, I reckon. So I'm going to put my mini wipe pouch in this back mesh pocket, just like in the other bag. Little boogie board thing in the other pocket next to it. Tegu blocks in, I'd say maybe this side pocket here instead. Also a zip pocket right here. Coin purse with my hair stuff and put it into this one. Small set piece with all my mommy stuff I'm going to put into this mesh pocket. My hand sanitizer into this other one right here next to it. Then my Magnaform small Be Organized, just put that in the center like I normally would. Be Dapper with my nappy stuff, so in this corner right here. I'll put this one right here. Medium set piece actually in between those 2 like that. So you're just going to put that together and zip it up. So you can easily still see into the bag. That. I have my phone left, and I think I will actually just put that into this pocket here. That. And my keys. Back little pocket here, tech pocket. That. And that's it. And then of course my daughter's boo, and that can just go on top. So that is everything packed inside of the hatch. So it is a really cool bag. I still didn't use one of the side mesh pockets in the inside here, but everything fit easily that was in the Vector. So I think capacity wise, I really do think they kind of hold very much the same. As I said, I do like the look of the hatch a little bit better than the look of the Vector. Kind of like how I can access things a little bit better in the Vector, but then again it's very, very, very similar in the hatch. Vector is a tad taller, even packed, because I wanted to pack this so you could kind of see. And they're about the same width, and they pack out about the same as well. I hope that gave you guys a little better idea of how these 2 bags compare. If you have any questions, please pop them below. And I will see you for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.